Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide application in Infinix Hot 40. I'm talking about these applications which you want to hide. Before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe us for more interesting content. Firstly, just we have option of phone master here. Click on it and then we have this window. Scroll it down. As you guys see, we have option of X hide here. Click on X hide. As you can see, we have option of set password. So all we have to do just set the password. After that, just press OK, and then we have this window appears. As you guys see, we have option of apps here. So just click on apps and then click on add button. After clicking, we have option of all application. Just select only those apps which you want to hide. I am selecting Facebook, Instagram and Messenger, and then click on confirm button. So go back to home. As you guys see, we don't see the option of Facebook, Instagram and Messenger here. So if you want to use those application, all we have to do just do like this, and then we have this window appear. Just enter the password here and click on applications. Then as you guys see, we have these application. If you want to use this application, just click on it and we will easily access this application here. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, so like the video and subscribe us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.